Texas, a land of wide open spaces and endless skies. From the rolling hills of the hill country to the shimmering waters of the Gulf Coast, Texas is a state of remarkable natural diversity. With its varied geography and climate, Texas boasts a wide array of ecosystems, each home to its own unique collection of plants and animals. Texas stretches across a massive 268,596 square miles. It's the second largest state in the US. This vastness means the climate varies significantly. East Texas enjoys lush greenery and abundant rainfall. West Texas experiences arid conditions and scorching desert heat. This dramatic contrast in climate and geography creates distinct regions within the state. Each region has its own unique charm and natural wonders. From the towering pines of East Texas to the stark beauty of the West Texas desert, there is something for everyone to discover in the Lone Star State. Whether you're drawn to the mountains, the forests, or the coast, Texas offers a chance to reconnect with nature and experience the raw beauty of the American Southwest. So, pack your bags, put on your hiking boots, and get ready to discover the natural wonders of Texas. Nestled in the heart of Texas lies the enchanting Texas Hill Country, a region of rolling hills, crystal-clear rivers, and charming small towns. Known for its abundance of wildflowers, especially the iconic bluebonnets that blanket the hillsides in the spring, the hill country is a sight to behold. The landscape of the hill country is characterized by its unique geology. Limestone hills rise from the earth, carved by centuries of erosion from rivers and streams. These hills are dotted with oak trees, creating a picturesque mosaic of green and gold. Beneath the surface lies another world entirely. The hill country is renowned for its abundance of springs, some of which feed into sparkling swimming holes that offer a refreshing escape from the Texas heat. The hill country is also home to a rich cultural heritage. German settlers arrived in the 19th century, bringing with them their traditions of music, food, and architecture. This unique blend of cultures is still evident today in the hill country's charming towns and vibrant festivals. In the far western reaches of Texas, where the Rio Grande River carves its way through the Chihuahuan Desert, lies Big Bend National Park. This remote and rugged landscape is a testament to the power of nature, with towering mountains, deep canyons, and vast desert plains. Big Bend is a place of extremes. Soaring mountains, some reaching elevations of over 7,000 feet, cast long shadows across the desert floor. The Rio Grande, a lifeline in this arid environment, winds its way through canyons and forms natural borders between the United States and Mexico. Despite its harsh conditions, Big Bend is teeming with life. Cacti of all shapes and sizes dot the landscape, their prickly exteriors hiding a surprising beauty. Desert animals, adapted to survive in this extreme environment, roam the park, from the elusive mountain lion to the iconic roadrunner. At night, the desert sky explodes with stars far from the light pollution of cities. Big Bend is a designated international dark sky park, offering unparalleled opportunities for stargazing and a chance to connect with the vastness of the universe. Stretching for over 600 miles along the Gulf of Mexico, the Texas Gulf Coast is a place where land and sea collide, creating a constantly shifting landscape of beaches, bays, and barrier islands. From the sandy shores of South Padre Island to the bustling port of Galveston, the Gulf Coast offers a taste of everything coastal. The Gulf Coast is a haven for wildlife. Migratory birds flock to the area, drawn by the abundance of food and nesting grounds. Dolphins and sea turtles swim in the warm waters, while crabs and other creatures scuttle along the sandy bottom. Coastal towns, each with their own unique character, dot the shoreline. Some, like Galveston, are steeped in history with Victorian architecture and bustling harbours. Others, like South Padre Island, offer a more laid-back vibe, with miles of pristine beaches and opportunities for swimming, sunbathing, and fishing. Section 5. A forest haven journeying through the East Texas piney woods. In stark contrast to the arid landscapes of West Texas, the East Texas piney woods offer a glimpse into a world of lush greenery and towering trees. This vast forest, covering over 23,000 square miles, is a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Pine trees dominate the landscape, their tall trunks reaching for the sky. Sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a dappled effect on the forest floor. The air is thick with the scent of pine needles and damp earth. The piney woods are home to a diverse array of wildlife. White-tailed deer graze in the undergrowth, while squirrels scamper among the branches. Birdsong fills the air, a chorus of chirps, tweets, and calls. Rivers and streams meander through the forest, their waters teeming with fish. Hiking trails wind through the woods, offering opportunities for solitude and a chance to reconnect with nature. Section 6. Sun-kissed sands and cacti discovering the desert Southwest. The desert Southwest region of Texas is a land of extremes. Scorching temperatures, minimal rainfall, and a stark, unforgiving landscape define this region. Yet despite these harsh conditions, the desert Southwest possesses a unique beauty and a rich tapestry of life that has adapted to thrive in this challenging environment. The landscape is dominated by vast expanses of sand dunes sculpted by the wind into ever-changing formations. Cacti, masters of water conservation, stand tall, their prickly exteriors a testament to their resilience. Animals, too, have found ways to survive in this extreme environment. Lizards bask in the sun, their bodies absorbing its warmth. Coyotes, their coats blending seamlessly with the sand, hunt for prey under the cover of darkness. The night sky in the desert Southwest is a sight to behold. Far from any light pollution, the stars shine with an intensity rarely seen elsewhere. The Milky Way, a river of stars, stretches across the sky, a reminder of the vastness of the universe. Section 7. A sea of grass. Experiencing the prairies and grasslands. Once stretching as far as the eye could see, the prairies and grasslands of Texas are a testament to the power of nature and the importance of conservation. These vast expanses of tall grasses, wildflowers, and open skies once covered nearly half of the state, providing habitat for countless species of plants and animals. Today, while much of the prairie has been converted to farmland, pockets of this vital ecosystem remain, offering a glimpse into the past and a reminder of the importance of preserving these natural treasures. The grasslands are a sea of grass rippling in the wind. Wildflowers in a kaleidoscope of colors dot the landscape, attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. The air is alive with the sounds of insects and the calls of birds. Conservation efforts are underway to restore and protect the remaining prairies and grasslands of Texas. Organizations and individuals are working together to educate the public about the importance of these ecosystems and to promote sustainable practices that will ensure their survival for generations to come. Section 8. Protecting the wild conservation efforts in the Lone Star State. Texas, with its diverse landscapes and abundant wildlife, faces unique challenges in protecting its natural heritage. From habitat loss and fragmentation to climate change and invasive species, the threats to Texas's natural resources are real and growing. However, throughout the state, a spirit of conservation and a commitment to preserving the wild beauty of Texas for future generations prevail. Numerous organizations, both governmental and non-profit, are working tirelessly to address these challenges. State parks and wildlife refuges provide vital sanctuaries for plants and animals, while conservation easements and land trusts help protect private lands from development. Education is key to conservation efforts. By teaching children and adults about the importance of biodiversity, the interconnectedness of ecosystems, and the simple actions they can take to reduce their impact on the environment, we can create a more sustainable future for Texas. From the mountains to the sea, Texas's natural heritage is a treasure worth protecting. By working together, we can ensure that the Lone Star State remains a place where nature's wonders continue to inspire and amaze for generations to come.